Hey guys, are you interested in Christmas free gifts from Zepto? As you see in the picture, you can add 3 gifts from Zepto, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have made some purchases on Zepto and ordered these items, and we have got a free gift. This is Christmas free gift box from Zepto. Let's go check it out. As what is there in the gift box? Are you interested? Let's go. Okay, this is how the box is. It's super colorful and magical. As I said in the beginning of the video, there are 3 gifts that you can add to the cart while you place the order on Zepto, and the minimum order differs from person to person. As you see in the picture, we have opened the box, and here comes a Google Pay cashback offer. As you see in the picture, you can scan the QR code and know the details. And if you don't know how to scan the QR code, I'll provide a video in the I button and screen and description box. You go check it out. And this is on adding RuPay cards on Google Pay app. The next comes Apsara pencil. This is if you're interested in pencils and pen or any stationery, you'll find nice after seeing this for sure, because you'll feel happy. Next comes fast wound healer. As you see in the picture, you can scan your wound and they'll perform some internal calculation and give the report or the update on your wound. You can use this to heal your wounds faster. Next comes the free sample Mamo Poco Wipes. This is coconut and aloe vera mild fragrance wipes. There's no alcohol. You can use it, otherwise you can use for your babies. The next product we have, these are puffs. These are tasty, I have to say. It costs only 5 rupees, but it's worth, or more than worth, I have to say, of course. The taste is awesome. And you have that slight little tangy tomato masala seasoning. So I'm not popping up, but it is so. It's heavenly to have that flavor. Next comes Desi Pops. It's a tamarind candy, I have to say, from Desi Meeta, and you have other products as well. You can go check it out, and it tastes good. You can have it. Next we have this cooked recipe mixtures, so you can add this masala in your dishes. It costs 49 rupees. Next comes the Suhana Paneer Tikka Masala Mix. It costs 25 rupees. Whenever you are making paneer recipe or dish, you can add this and increase your flavors. Next we have got a Santa letter. You can write your wishes to Santa and claim them. As you see in the picture, there are many companies that fulfill your wishes, so you can go for it. The last one, we have got the recipe book. You can try those recipes if you're interested. You have got mocktail, hot beverages, right? So that's it all we have in the box. Next we'll see as how to place order on Zepto to claim free gifts plus Zepto cash. As you see in the picture, go to Zepto app. Right on the home screen, you will have 2 stores. Go to Zepto Saver. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see here free Zepto Christmas box and free lights. Plus you have 50 cashback on placing your order on Zepto Saver. Okay, now go to Deal Store. Once you go to Deal Store, you have all the offers, and you can add to the cart the products you want as usual. Okay, make sure you add 500 worth items to the cart and go to View Cart. Once you go there, Zepto free Christmas box will be added to the cart as you see in the picture. And one more thing is you can unlock a free gift by clicking here as shown in the picture. Once you click on that, you can add from here any item worth 99 rupees to claim your free gift. Once you add to the cart 99 worth of rupees, go to view cart, click on view cart. Here you can see 2 free gifts added to the cart. If you want one more, you can add worth items 1000 rupees to the cart to claim one more free gift. That is, free lights are available for order value 2000 as I said before. Now you can click on coupons and apply the coupon. You have a credit, Amazon Pay and Zepto. After applying the coupon, check out and place your order. That's it. But while the order is due for delivery, here comes one more gift as shown in the picture. You see a gift box and you can click on that. Once you click on that, here comes the scratch card and you can scratch over there and claim your coupon. You can copy the coupon and click on claim now. Once you click on claim now, you will be navigated to that site where you can claim free gift. From here, as shown in the picture, you can add to the cart 5 items as directed here. Once you add 5 items from here, you can click on cart. Once you click on cart, you can see here a free travel bag is available for 99 rupees. If you want, you can add this item in your cart and click on proceed to checkout. Once you click, you can paste your Zepto coupon here and check out. That's it. Place your order. This is all for today. Did you like this Christmas gifts? If yes, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.